Hi guys, it's Tracy and welcome back to the channel. I am finally back and COVID free. It was a little rough, but I made it through, so we're good. I got COVID, and then as soon as I tested positive, my doctor called in the Paxilove or some, it's like a COVID medication. And then a few days after that, I had the chest congestion, and I'm still kind of congested now, and he put me on antibiotics. So we're waiting to make sure that the chest congestion goes away, because I have had pneumonia before, so that's why he always tries to get a jump on it. But the first symptom that I had was I just had this splitting headache that would not go away. And I thought it was like some kind of something like with my neck or, my head. And so I had made an appointment to go to the chiropractor to get an adjustment. And that's Lily. The door's open. She can come right out here. And she's staying in the bedroom whining. That's Lily. So anyway, yeah, that was like the first symptom I had, and I didn't even dawn on me that it would be COVID. And then my daughter-in-law, she had it before, and then she was like, yeah, that's COVID. And so I got tested, and it was positive for COVID, and I was like, man, and I thought, oh, this is going to be a breeze then, if just a headache, wait it out, it'll go away. But then after a little while, because the headache I had for probably a week, and then I tested positive, and then I got the medication. I've been on antibiotics, so today's the first day that I've even gotten dressed or put makeup on, or that I'm even going to leave my house. So I thought I would show you guys my AIA beauty bundle. I didn't even do BoxyCharm or the AIA beauty bundle last month because I was sick. The last month of this was all hair care products from, I don't even remember the name of the company. It was like a dry shampoo, hairspray, a shampoo and a conditioner, and then they put a blonde shampoo in, which I don't know how that's really supposed to help people who don't have blonde hair. But I actually used it last night, and it didn't do anything to my hair, so I guess it's okay. But that was last month's. And then my BoxyCharm, I got the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism palette, and let's see, still sitting here. Oh, I got the Outre CBD shampoo, Herbivore Rose Hibiscus, facial coconut water. This is Avant cleansing gel. And then this is from Ico. Oh, Black Magic. I think it's a liquid liner, which I don't use. And this Rhodial glass primer. So that was my BoxyCharm for last month. There we go. Wrap that up real quick, didn't we? So yeah, I haven't done anything. No makeup. So today I have on the new-ish Colourpop palette. It's the Clay It Cool. Like that. It was really easy to work with, blended out really easy. Basic color story, I know. Then on my lips, I have the NYX. This is Milky Gloss, and this is in some kind of Milkshake. It's like a mauve kind of color. It's really pretty. I bought 2 of these. I really like them. So that is that, and then we can see what we got in our bundle here. It is supposed to be all LYS products, which is nice. I haven't tried a lot from the brand. They included this blister packet of the foundation, so you could kind of see if you wanted to go buy the foundation. I was like, I hope this isn't one of the items, but it was just like an extra. that they threw in. So we got the LYS Think Bright. What is this? Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum. And it says this is $28. Mister's here. What's up, boy? So this is what that looks like. Some sort of serum for your face, and that $28. That's pretty good. I think I have one of these. I'm not sure which one. Let me see. This is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer, and this is $20. I wonder if I might have the primer, I'm not exactly sure. And then we have the, look at, here comes Lily. This is the Aim High. What are you doing? Multi-use liquid highlighter in Fearless. Looks like it might be kind of dark, like a bronze kind of color. That's the color there. Come here. Come here. Come here. Silly. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Yes, I was making all the noise. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed. Let's see what color this is. If it's going to be something that I can use. I actually have all lip cream stuff on today except for my highlighter. If I knew this was in here, I could have used this. It looks like it's going to be kind of dark though. Yeah, that's pretty bronze, but maybe if you just use a little bit and you can kind of spread it out, it'll probably be okay, or mix it with like a foundation. It might work that way too. Today I have on I bought the Dermatology tinted sunscreen because I don't usually wear sunscreen, but I don't usually wear foundation either. So I had seen it on sale and I thought, oh, let me try that, because I wanted to try the Supergoop Glow Screen, and that was like $36. And then I saw that Dermatology was having a sale, so I picked up theirs, and it's a good sized bottle. I'm not sure how much is in there, and it's nice and thin, and it's got a tint to it, so you could use it under, like if you like full coverage. But for me, just a little bit of tint that it provides is nice, and then I'm actually wearing SPF. Because like I said, I don't usually, if I'm going out and like gonna be in the sun, then I'll put it on, but I'm not like the everyday sunscreen consumer, are we? You are, because you're like a little albino. Say, how could she make so much noise? See, you look like a little angel. Oh, no. Anyway. Let's see, next up, I could use this today too. Ooh, it's really soft. This is their Confident Precision Makeup Sponge. This is $10, I think it says. $10. What? She's been whining all morning. She saw me like get up and like get out of bed. Now she's like, oh my God, she's leaving. So I think that's why she's acting all crazy. See, this is the Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil, and this is $12. What seems to be the problem, ma'am? What? You could have done a try-on with all LYS products, I guess. Maybe I could do that one day. So it looks like it is like a peachy kind of color, but I'm sure it probably doesn't show up on the lips. Oh, is it like tied? Can't even get it open. I can't get it open. I'll have to try something to get it open. So the last item in the box is their Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush, and we have the shade, what is that? And this is $18, it looks like. What shade is this? Confident is the shade. That's a pretty color. Let's see what it feels like. It feels smooth. Put it over the bronzing stuff. It's a nice color. Seems to blend out nice. So nice. So I like all the products. I think this box is really good for $30. You get to try all these, get to try some foundation. I heard that the foundation's really good, that it's like a nice thin formula, like it's a serum. Yeah, it's the Triple Fix Serum Foundation with hyaluronic acid, turmeric, and ashwagandha in 35 shades. So you can try and mix up your own shade or see if you match one of these, and then if you want to go grab one. And I think it's like under 30 bucks, I want to say. Most of this brand is on the lower end for a Sephora brand, because usually everything at Sephora is high-end or luxury. But I cannot get this thing open. Is it like sealed? And it's not sealed. Do I just, duh, just pull it off? Let's see. It's like just clear pretty much. It has like a little hint of peach to it, but not much. So we'll have to check that out and see how we like it. So I'll insert the total value of the box here when I'm editing, and that will be it for this video. I hope that you guys have been well. Hopefully I will be back soon with another video. And yeah, so if you're new, love it if you would subscribe, hit the subscribe button and click the bell and to be notified of new videos, to get to see Lily, Mr. maybe sometimes, but maybe not. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up on your way out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.